The top benefit of cloud computing security solution. The global cloud computing market is set to reach $623.3 billion by 2023. The cloud is ultimate tool in building highly scalable and flexible network that can be set up in the flash. This is offer a great opportunity for business looking to avoid high sunk cost in setting out infrastructure or in pacing out legacy infrastructure. Components business of all shapes and sizes have realized the potential of cloud computing and either already moved the whole or part of their operations to the cloud already are the process of migrating. But the cloud is a shared resource and identity management, privacy and access control will always remain area of concern of cloud-based business. Managing security in vulnerabilities throughout your operations network has become a top concern for business, especially the wake of cloud COVID-19, remote work, and anywhere operation has more and more people become dependent on the web for their daily and work without being physically located at in the protective home of a physical business network, such as DDoS, distribute denial of service, and level 7 application layer attacks. According to the 2022 Cloud Security Report by BitGlass, the survey IT and security of professional had the following perceived threats level of the question and cloud security organization. 33% admitted that they extremely concerned, 40% were very connected, 20% were moderately connected, only 2% said they were not at all concerned. 2020 Cloud Security Report. What the cloud computing security? Cloud security is the catch-all term in multiple level of control.